Verse, verse, verse. Verse, verse, verse. Thank you, Anastasia. Thank you. Happy New Year. Lucky penny, I wouldn't mind. Yeah, we just still away 1k. Damn. Alright guys, 8k in a dream. Need a win. Can we get a win on this fine, fine night? Purple. Decent. Wild West Gold? I bet. Hold on. Green, multi. Green. Blue. Yellow. Fuck me. Crowns, crowns, crowns. Okay, chance. Blue, red. Still ass.
Nice.
Hit. Okay, chance. Cup. One cup. One cup. Yes. Multi, multi, multi for the save. Crown. GG's, chat. G fucking G's. I'm getting a bit scared. We actually need to win. If we go back to 5k, I'm gonna be wide. Need a win, need a win. Yo, what's good, Harizla? What's up? Play crazy time? You guys want game shows? But I bet too high on game shows.
Feel my power.
Oh, fuck no. Yeah, I'm done with this. Let's go play life and chill. Fuck me, Gates.
Feel my power. Charging. Celestial victory.
Oh, hell no! Not a single multi or hit! Next VIP percent? No, I didn't hit it. I'm like 0.40 off. That's a long way though. That's like 5 streams. There we go. That's a way better start. Blue. 1000x. Fuck it. 1000x. Bang! So I believed. Big multi. Big multi. Big. Multi. Charisma, what is this? Charisma, our cup's in? Oh my god, charisma, cups, multi, it's in, isn't it? Charisma, it's in, isn't it?
Fearless. Feel my power.
Green, purple. Multi. Multi, give me some money. Oh, shit.
Elemental power. Fearless.
9,000x there when it first came out, top dog. We had like a 500x first spin.
Feel my power.
Oh, GG's. Give me red, give me some money, red. Yikes.
Celestial victory. Free spins.
Bro, oh, 2, I've never maxed this. I played it thousands of times. I still want my max.
Elemental power.
If I maxed it, I'll never touch this again.
Fearless. Feel my power. Charging.
Yeah, I'll go back to Retro Suits Poseidon. This is going too quick. We gotta do 2 hours. I gotta be smart. I'll go back. Green. 3. Give me a re. Why not pug? I can do a pug before we go retro.
Elemental power.
3. Yikes.
Nice. Fearless.
Come on, bro. Just hit. Blue, red. It's so frustrating when the shit don't hit. Red. Hello, Debbie Zach. Multi this. 100.
Feel my power. Charging. Mega.
Did you see Lacey doing uncapped 365-day subathon? Whoa, damn. Go crazy. Then he's gonna fucking make so much bread.
Celestial victory.
Last one, then we'll go pug. Hello, Shark222. Hope you're doing well. Happy New Year to you too, my friend. Thank you, bro. Gambling's been bad, but New Year's been fantastic. Life's been good. This gambling's been bad. No luck today. Just blackjack. That's it, chat. We got the 10k on one balance, lost the rest.
My power.
Green. Blue. Red. Hold on. Yellow. Red. Hold on. Red. Purple. Green. Fucking mid. Yeah, that stream was a crazy idea by Agent. I saw that. Not ending streams who loses 20 pounds. Fuck, that's lit.
Elemental power. Fearless. Feel my power.
And we're cooked. Cups. Hello, Wyvern. It's going great, man. It's going great. Rings, crowns. I lost 15 pounds in like 3 weeks before. Yeah, it just comes down to like big calorie deficit, huh?
Charging.
Rings. I starved myself. Bro.
Nice.
Land close. Yeah, they did, Cammy. It's last balance. Fuck. Buffalo? Yeah, PG, I'll play it. I'll play it, but what Buffalo? There's so many Buffalo games. There's like a million. Are you thinking of Fire Stampede, that long one? I think that's what you're thinking of. The one that takes a while. I'll play that. Let's do Fire Stampede. Are you ever going back to sports fitting? Nah, I'm retired. Did it for like 10 years. I'm retired, bro. I get too addicted when I do it. Connect for some money, bro. Connect for something. Connect for some money. Ass! The Djokovic's trying to put you off, yeah? Or maybe retire. Sweet Fiesta? Chat. Do you guys believe in this max? Yes or no? 3x bomb! Wait! Land close! Another? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! One more. Oh shit! Yeah, it's max. Oh my god, chat, this might be max. This might be max. Not even lying. This may very well be maximum win. Hold on. We just need these fours and then magnet in. I don't know. Do something. Could be max. 15k on the max. Yup, free spins. Good. Magnets. Magnet will connect all the fours. Hello. Magnet will connect all the fours. Good, 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 good. Connect the 4 at the top and the side. Come on. Connect, connect, connect. Yes, connect. Don't bait. Connect it. Don't bait. I know you can do it. It's just making it exciting, chat. Trust me. It's gonna do it. It's making it exciting. Last spin connections. What the actual fuck? Land close, land close, land close! Brother. One hit. Ay, 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 ay. Shit. Blue, 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 blue! Well, guys, stay or leave. Maybe a pug to save us. Connect the other 2 for money back. Connect the other 2 for money back. Stay. I'll do one more. One more. One more. One more. One more. Cheeky Bound OG. Not gonna lie, I said I don't like the OG anymore after this one. Because I had so much better luck on this one, to be honest.